It is so easy to take the little things for granted, but luxury doesn't have to be synonymous with spending lots of money. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about little luxuries that can upgrade your everyday experience at home. Before I do that though, I do want to say a huge thank you to Built for sponsoring today's video, but I'll tell you more about that later on. Let's get into it. One of the little luxuries that you can add to your bedroom is by scenting your sheets. Having a signature scent in the bedroom is going to help create almost like a Pavlovian response. You smell the scent, you're ready for rest. It is such an incredible thing, and it just kind of shrouds you in this cocoon of a wonderful scent to lull you to bed. Then another way to kind of make your bed feel a little bit more luxurious is to switch up the types of pillows you have on your bed. I have a down pillow, I have a down alternative pillow, I have a mixed blend pillow. Having all of the different pillows for all of the different sleeping desires you could possibly have is a little taste of luxury. Then instead of getting out of your bed to the cold hardwood or tile or whatever it is you have where you live, keep a pair of slippers by your bed. It's going to make sure that your feet are warm. This prevents you from having that quick contact with the cold tile or wood when you wake up in the morning that shocks you awake. You deserve to have a really peaceful arousal in the morning. Now, this is something that I do at nighttime, but not in the morning, but some people really like this in the morning, and that is to put their lights in their bedroom on a timer. So you can have that timer turn on in the morning so that it's time to wake up. It's a way to kind of like get sunlight in your room if the sun isn't like accessible in your room, and to kind of wake up naturally with the light. Then in the kitchen, I think a little luxury that sometimes people forget to add is an at-home coffee bar. I cannot tell you how much money people spend on coffee outside of the house. They spend tons of money on coffee. They don't drink the coffee, and it's costly in terms of time and actual cost because you have to pay for the coffee, the gas to get to the coffee shop, the treat that you buy from the coffee shop that you didn't need, and all of that good stuff. When you have a little coffee bar at home, it's custom. You make sure you have the beans you like. It's the sweetness that you like. The caffeination level is right. The type of glass, the type of straw that you like. Those are all simple things that really can impact your coffee experience. So having an at-home coffee bar is a huge, huge benefit. And another great way to add a little bit of luxury to your everyday life is to do a monthly staycation. By that, I mean a stay at a local hotel in your city, maybe try a new part of the city, nothing too extravagant, but just a little taste of new without having to travel 20,000 miles away. And don't let it be just any staycation. Let it be a staycation at a local property where you were able to redeem some of your Built points. And I do want to say a huge thank you to Built for sponsoring today's video. PSA to anyone who rents: earning points on your rent is now possible when you pay your rent through Built. You don't even have to check with your landlord to start earning points to use towards fitness classes, flights, hotel stays, and even your next rent payment. Intrigued? Let me tell you more. Joining Built is free. Built is a loyalty program that lets you earn points on rent and redeem them towards flights, hotel stays, fitness classes, and even your next rent payment. They've even been consistently ranked the highest value point currency by Bankrate and the Points Guy. And you can transfer your Built points to your favorite airlines and hotels. There are over 550 airlines and 700,000 hotels and properties around the world where you can redeem your Built points towards. So if you're not earning points on rent, my question is, what are you waiting for? Start earning points right now when you sign up using the link down in my description box or scan this QR code on the screen. And be sure to use my URL so that they know I sent you. Another little luxury that doesn't cost a lot of money is having a fresh floral in your home. You can go to your local grocery store and get a pre-made arrangement. You can make an arrangement yourself, but I think that's a great way to elevate your everyday. Just go on Sundays, get an arrangement, and use that one for the entire week. Fresh flowers can really put a smile on your face. Now, if you can't keep fresh flowers alive, but you want kind of the vibe of fresh flowers, have a candle and put it on a timer. That's what I do. I have candles on timers in my home so they turn on every day when I come out into the living room, so I can have that nice fresh floral scent to wake up to. It just really, really sets the tone, and I just love it. Another little luxury that I like to take advantage of is having a library card. So I'm generally trying to decrease my screen time, and so having a library card allows me to check out books, whether they're audiobooks, whether they are actual books, and be able to read anything I want, anything in the library's catalog without actually having to read on my phone, because I found that I download a book and then I go to TikTok and I go to Instagram and I go whatever. This allows me to go to sleep more peacefully and, you know, read more, improve my vocabulary, and just kind of be more present in my life and less so on my phone. The next way to add a little luxury to your everyday life is to switch from bath towels to bath sheets. This is just going to kind of like wrap you in some warmth from head to toe, really, from top to bottom. Doesn't matter what size you are, doesn't matter how tall you are. Bath sheets really envelop you, whereas if you're doing a traditional bath towel, all it's really going to do is you know, dry your midsection, and that's about it. I think a bath sheet is a great alternative to a robe because it's something you're using every day, but it's not like an added piece of laundry, which I find robes to be. And I don't really know anybody who walks around in their robe anymore. I think bath sheets are a lot more reasonable. And another way to elevate your experience with that bath sheet is to warm your towel before you get in the shower. This is just a little luxury that really upgrades your shower experience, because when you get out of the shower, it can be so cold, but it doesn't have to be. You can either pick up a towel warmer, which is what I have, or you can go the easy way and just put your towel in the dryer before you go take your shower, and then you're able to get it out right before. Another way to upgrade your shower routine is to add eucalyptus to your shower. So you can get fresh eucalyptus at the store and just use a rubber band to tie it to your shower head. This is going to open up your sinuses and really give you that spa kind of vibe in the shower. If you don't want fresh eucalyptus, you could use some type of vapor tablet. You can add essential oils in your bathroom in a diffuser. It does not matter. They even have like eucalyptus bath and body scrub, which is what I use, and it really opens up my sinuses and gives that really relaxing spa feel at a fraction of the price because I didn't have to go to the spa. I think also having a very thorough shower routine is part of living a life of luxury, because taking care of yourself is a luxury and you deserve to be spoiled. Every day in the shower, I will not only just clean my body, but I will double cleanse. I like to invest in shower oils and shower items that make me smell good, that make me feel good, that kind of heal my skin. Investing in that regard is going to save you money because you're not going to have to spend money on spa treatments, hair treatments, body treatments to the same extent, because you've kind of invested a smaller amount and do that thing every single day, as opposed to doing something long-term that's $500, $1,000, something outlandish. Another way to add a little luxury to your life is to have curated playlists for different things that you like to do. So a playlist for when you go to the gym, when you cook dinner, when maybe you're eating dinner with your family, maybe when you're going to bed. I think having little playlists for different moments, again, creates that kind of like Pavlovian response and really helps you get in the zone for each of your different activities. It's something that only takes a few minutes. It's not going to cost a lot of money, but I think it's really going to improve your experience. Another little luxury that I love is baking a sweet treat every week. I've been on a health journey, you guys know this, so I don't keep like candy and chips in my house like I used to, but I think having dessert keeps me on my goal. So I create a sweet treat every single week. So every week I bake brown butter chocolate chip cookies and I freeze them all, and I will just take out one at a time for every serving and bake it. And that's kind of like a little luxury that elevates my everyday, and it helps me stay on my goals, and it helps me have like a nice fresh baked good where I know what's in it, it tastes good, I didn't have to spend a lot of money on it, I just made it with my little pantry ingredients, and it makes the rest of my family so happy as well. Another little luxury that's a little bit silly, but I think could elevate your everyday is just wrap your toilet paper in a fun napkin. It's something so simple, but maybe you want your toilet paper to look fun, and I think people like sell fun toilet paper, but then it feels horrible against your butt. So you just take a napkin, like a fun floral napkin, maybe you picked it up from Home Goods, TJ Maxx, something like that, and you wrap it in that, and you get like this fun little look that you can put on display in your bathroom or something to that effect. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's video. You and everyone else deserves to experience a little bit of luxury, even if you can't spend a lot of money on it. So in today's video, I gave you a few ideas on how you can elevate your everyday. I hope that you're walking away from today's video with some actionables, feeling really, really excited about how you can elevate your own life, and let me know what other little things you do for yourself down below. If you want to give Built a try and start earning points right now, just click the link down in my description box or scan this QR code up on the screen, and be sure to use my URL so that they know I sent you. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.